Alrighty, today we're all about beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. I'm also including a non-phone, chat, email-only work-from-home opportunity. Now, I know this one is going to fly out the door really quickly, so that's the one I want to start off with, but there are a couple important things I want to mention in this opportunity, so let's get into it. So this job comes to us from Advance Auto Parts. They're looking for a contact center agent digital support. This is a non-phone, chat, email, SMS opportunity. It is full-time, it is remote. They have a location of North Carolina, but we're going to ignore that because one of the important things I want to mention is this right here. They tell us you must live within the Eastern time zone to be eligible for this role. So you do not have to live in North Carolina, but you do have to live in the Eastern time zone. So this is your typical customer service kind of position where you'll respond to customer inquiries via chat, email, and SMS with clarity, professionalism, and empathy. So yep, this job is all about customer service. And because it's a non-phone job, you need excellent written communication skills. You can multitask. You have strong problem-solving skills. You can type at least 30 words per minute. You're comfortable with technology. And prior experience in chat and email support is preferred. That's just preferred. It's not required. And you'd be a great fit for this job if you have a high school diploma or a GED and a couple years related experience and or training or equivalent combination of education and experience. It's preferred, but it's not required. It's preferred you have call center or customer service experience. It's also preferred, not required, you're bilingual in French and English or Spanish and English. And it's preferred, not required, you have automotive knowledge. Now, you do not need a certificate, license, or registration, but they do tell us they prefer you have ASE certification. I don't know if that's certification, licensure, or registration, but whatever they prefer, it's ASE, and that's just preferred, it's not required. They offer a really nice suite of benefits, and now on for the next really important thing I want to mention. They tell us on this job description they'll pay you anywhere from $14.25 up to $19 per hour. So if you go in with no experience, you're going to start out at the lower end. If you have a little bit of related experience, definitely start your salary negotiations up to the higher end. So the next work from home job is also beginner friendly. It's with Cardinal Financial. So this job is for a loan originator assistant. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. And this job is really very beginner friendly. I'll get into that in just a minute. So what you're going to do in this job is provide support to customers, loan originators, production leaders, and operations partners. And you do that by reviewing loan applications, supporting documentation and credit authorization, documenting all client conversations, and providing daily and weekly status of files in progress. You'll communicate status updates, assist clients with the utilization of the origination system, and collect and submit and file vendor validations from borrowers. And they have more details. If interested in this job, read through the details. So this job is very beginner friendly. All they're asking for is a high school diploma or a GED. They prefer, but they don't require. They prefer you have a little bit of customer service, customer facing experience. And like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service. They prefer 0 to 2 years experience working within the mortgage industry. They also prefer you have a basic understanding of financial documents such as assets, income, and credit. And those three things are just preferred. They're not required. Now, they would like you to have a working knowledge of Microsoft Office products. A working knowledge of Encompass software system is a plus. And you can execute and interpret AUS, evaluate findings, and work accordingly. And when it comes to the salary, they're not sharing that anywhere on this job description, but I have a feeling this job could pay anywhere from, I'm going to say 18 to 20, maybe up to $21 per hour. That's just based on my experience looking at similar roles. How much you'll really make, you'll have to work out your salary with them. So another beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with the company Onward. What they do is provide a transportation management platform for door-through-door companion rideshare services. They have an opening for a dispatcher. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. Yep, right here they do tell us it is remote anywhere in the U.S. And you probably notice the salary. They tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $17 to $23 per hour. So this is your typical dispatcher job where you'll accurately collect, verify, and document ride, driver, and rider information. You'll respond promptly to driver, rider, and customer inquiries via phone, text, and chat, monitor scheduled and active rides to ensure timely pickup and completion, actively support drivers during trips, and resolve delays, routing issues, cancellations, and service disruptions, identify and escalate issues while maintaining accurate records and updates to ensure continuity across shifts. So if you have a little bit of dispatch experience, you're reliable, you have strong attendance record, you're able to work a scheduled shift of full-time, including weekends and holidays, you can remain calm, organized, and effective under pressure, check out this opportunity. And they tell us it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have medical terminology experience, and training will be provided. And again, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $17 to $23 per hour. So our last beginner-friendly work-from-home job is another one with the company Onward. This one is for a support specialist. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $17 to $20 per hour. So this job is all about customer service, where you'll be the first point of contact for riders, caregivers, and drivers via phone, chat, and email. And it looks like it would be a plus if you're bilingual in Spanish or English, and they tell us that's not required, it's only preferred. So if you have a little bit of customer service experience, you're comfortable using multiple systems at the same time, you can work a flexible schedule including weekends and holidays, check out this job. And they give you bonus points if you have experience with healthcare, medical terminology, or transportation support. If you have those kind of experiences, definitely include them on your resume. So that's all I have for you in this video, some beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs, plus a non-phone chat email-only opportunity. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more work-from-home jobs that are pretty good payers, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.